Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and my motto is to make math colorful and beautiful for everyone. Right now we are working on class 8 mathematics and I am taking problems from NCERT exemplar, and the topic is linear equations in one variable. So right now you can see a complicated, a scary problem which will make you run away the moment you look at it. But let's try to solve it. We have x by 2 minus 1 by 4 in the bracket x minus 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6, and in the bracket we have x plus 1 plus 1 by 12. So let's see what we can do to solve it. The problem is this. So let's bring in some colors so that it becomes easy. Now look at the green parts. They are inside the bracket and we have a number outside. 1 by 4 is being multiplied by everything which is inside the green part, and on the other side 1 by 6 is being multiplied by everything which is inside the bracket. So let's try to see how we can multiply it by the things inside the bracket. 1 by 4 will be distributed to x as well as 1 by 3. That means it will be multiplied by both the terms. Here also it will be multiplied by 1 by 6 will be multiplied by x as well as 1. Now another thing to notice over here is that this is not positive 1 by 3. In fact, we can look at it like this, that this is negative 1 by 3. So 1/4, and same thing here. We can look at it like this. So it is negative 1 by 4 which is being multiplied by x and by negative 1 by 3. So let's see what do we get when we do the multiplications. X by 2 will remain the same, and when a negative and a positive number, that means here we can write negative 1 by 4 into x. So what do we get? We get negative x by 4. So here I'll use bracket because we have two signs. So now we have negative 1 by 4 multiplied by negative 1 by 3. So answer should be positive because both the numbers are negative. And what should be the answer? Multiply the numerators and the denominators. So the answer will be 1 by 12. So here I will write plus 1 by 12. On the other side we have everything is positive, so no complications. So we have 1 by 6x plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Now look at both the sides of the equation. An equation is like a weighing balance. An equation means when something is equated, that means the weighing balance is straight and weight on both the pans is the same. So is there something which is coming on both the sides? Yes, there is. The number 1 by 12. Just see it in color. Yes. So number 1 by 12 is coming on both the sides. So I can just cancel it or take it away from both the sides. So what is left now? We have x by 2. Now here I can open the bracket, or if you don't want to open, it can be like this also, because that would be easier to do calculations. And let's bring our variable term to the other side. So here it is positive, on the other side it's going to become negative. So we have this. I look at all these, this addition, I look at it like this, that a negative term is being added So now I have changed everything into addition, and now let us take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. What's going to be the LCM of 2, 4 and 6? Let's see. So it's always remember the L for LCM. When nothing is common, you have to leave and remember the L. Multiply all the numbers along the L. So 2 into 1 into 2 into 3. So this becomes 12. So 12 is the LCM, and we get 6x by 12 plus negative 3x by 12 plus negative 2x by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. So upon simplification, I would get x by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. So let's take 12 to the other side. We have 12 by 6. So x comes out to be 2. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.